Hey everyone, it's Utsuf. Today's video features the BM43 from KPrepublic, coupled with the SA Carbon keycaps from Drop. In my continued journey to find the perfect keyboard form factor for me, the compact 40% layout has a lot of appeal. It takes up very little desk space and is super portable, so I wanted to know if this could double as both a daily driver and my on-the-go board. Since the BM43 isn't really sold as a kit and more as a collection of parts, there's no special box. All the bits I ordered arrived simply wrapped in bubble wrap, with a thank you card at the top and a sticker at the bottom. Since the theme of this board is carbon, I opted for a carbon fiber plate, though I believe the BM43 also supports a plateless build. Aside from the plate, we have the hot swap PCB, the case feet and screws, and the aluminium case itself. It feels very well made, though I'm not sure why it says demo on the back, as the product page doesn't show a picture of the back nor mentions a designer. For this build, I opted to go entirely without foam. For the stabilizers, I decided to use a combination of different 2U stabs that I had left over from other builds. The left spacebar is Cherry, the right spacebar is TX, and for the left shift, I used Stabies. For switches, I once again opted for factory looped Gateron Pro Milky Yellows. The keycaps are SA Profile Carbons from Drop. I've always been a huge Half-Life fan, so spoiler alert, these will feature again in a TKL build I have planned for next month. Last but not least, I used angled tweezers to install the feet. And here it is, the final build. Let's hear what it sounds like. I have to admit that this turned out to be a fun little board for casual use. My build choices left it sounding a bit hollow, though it is interesting to hear a completely foamless typing experience. For weekend use and casual gaming, this is a perfectly fine board that I'll likely keep around. For work purposes, I found this board to be quite inefficient. Despite reprogramming it using QMK and keeping a printout of the layer map in front of me for easy reference, I do rely on the full range of punctuation keys a lot, and switching to layer 1 for those is time consuming. Same story for the number keys. I'm sure that with practice I could get used to it, but it will never be as efficient as having the dedicated keys available in a larger layout. That about wraps it up for today. I would very much appreciate it if you could help me to grow this channel and drop a like, smash subscribe, and turn on notifications if you want to know whenever I post a new video. And as always, thanks for watching.